like you're at home.
Oh, well, I am.
Who's there with you?
Nobody. It's the TV. I'm watching FBI, and it just finished.
Oh, okay. We're at the Hoover Dam.
Okay.
What
Is
we?
it empty?
No, it's just about. I'm gonna take a couple pictures, but we went ahead. There's a Econo Lodge here, and we're gonna go ahead and spend the night here, and then get up in the morning and head home.
Okay.
I think that's better, and it makes Mike's life a lot easier. So I think that's what we're gonna do.
Whatever you decide works for me. Okay, that works.
When we
You're not
leave,
too tired tonight?
huh?
You're not too
No,
tired
no,
tonight?
I'm much better today. But when we leave here, we're gonna go up to eat, and then once we go back to the room, we're done.
Yeah, I understand
And we
that.
had a pretty good breakfast this morning, but this time we're gonna get a bag. So,
Yeah, well, you haven't had very good luck at Econo Lodge.
no, we're sending it quality. Yeah.